We've spoken about banking. What about technology? I think the street is very divided there. But in at least on the buy side, I see a number of people saying that, oh, this might be a slightly longer story, and therefore we don't mind even if the valuation is expensive, we'll stay put, etc. I see quite a contrast there. What's your sense and why as to what technology could do?
So IT services sector is the only outward facing sector which we like at this point in time. So in our model portfolio, we are actually underweight on metals, underweight on energy, underweight on pharma as well. But IT services is the only, as I said, outward looking sector which we like. And there are two reasons for it. One is that the bottom up story, the demand outlook looks very, very strong. And I don't even have to go by what the companies are guiding for in for the next quarter or the quarter after, etc. I just have to look at the number of people that they have hired and the number of people that all these leading IT companies that have hired in the first two quarters, which is the June quarter and the September quarter, is actually more than any of the last 10 years, on a full year basis. So what we've seen in the last 6 months is more than the best years that we've seen over the last 10 to 12 years. And from whatever we understand, the hiring still continues. And in fact, recently there have been some tech companies talking about some extended period of supply shortages, which I would take it as a positive news, because you talk about supply shortages only when you have demand visibility, right? So we have reasonably high demand visibility, I would say, well into the next 12 to 18 months, maybe even longer than that. And yes, the valuation multiples are pretty steep, but the IT stocks seldom underperform when the demand outlook is strong, or as strong as what we're looking at right now. And also the second reason is, when we talked about the taper, etc., we definitely need to keep that also in mind, and the impact that it might have on Indian currency, and some bouts of risk-offs that it might create. And you do need some defensive bets also, in your portfolio, which are dollar oriented, so to speak. So yeah, in that context also, this sector looks pretty good.